Garador up and over garage doors are the perfect choice for most homeowners, as they are reliable, functional and attractive. They are available in a choice of 4 different materials: steel, timber, GRP and PVC, and a range of colours and finishes. They also come with a sturdy twist motion handle, which is available in a variety of colours. Garador up and over garage doors are available with either canopy or retractable gearing. Canopy gearing means the door panel runs vertically on tracks on the side of the frame and a spring assembly on the top of the frame. When open, the door panel protrudes approximately 1/3, forming a canopy. There are no tracks running back into the garage when the door is closed. Canopy gear doors come with secure 2-point locking at the top of the door panel to prevent unauthorized entry. They also feature an anti-drop device to prevent the door from crashing down in the event of a spring or cable failure. Retractable gearing means the door panel opens on horizontal tracks which run back into the garage. The retractable gear door comes with a black plastic finger trap protector for safety, helping to keep the 3 springs and link arm out of harm's way. Up and over garage doors with a retractable gear come with secure 2-point locking at the base of the door to prevent unauthorized entry. They also have a secure parking position to prevent the door from uncontrolled closing. Retractable gearing is often the preferred option, as this type of gear has been designed specifically for use with an electric operator. All up and over doors are easy to install and come with full technical and warranty support. Please visit the Garador website for full details of the Garador product range.